Hello, this is Santi Dominguez, CEO of Mestre Lab Research. Today I'm going to talk to you about a new plugin within Mestre Nova, our reaction monitoring plugin. This plugin is designed to allow even non-expert users to quickly and easily extract reaction information from their NMR data, such as, for example, reaction kinetics or a reaction endpoint. The plugin has several sets of functionality, and today I'm going to be talking about the first one of those, the reaction monitoring wizard. First of all, it is a new plugin, so you need to install it and you need to get a license file, so you need to license it. By the way, the license is free to academia, and you can for certain get a trial license from us if you're working in industry. Once you have licensed the plugin, within your advanced menu, you will get the reaction monitoring dialog. There you have several options. Today I'm going to go with the wizard at the bottom. And as soon as you launch the wizard, the software will present you with a dialog in which you basically have to tell the software where are the data that you want to look at, as I'm doing here. Then you can choose how you import your data. So you may have them sorted by name, or you may need to import them by time of acquisition. So that will be the by date choice. And also whether you want to see them stacked or you want to see them superimposed upon import. After that, you have the decimation options. And the way decimation works, you may have obtained a lot of 1D data, and you may want to speed things up in Mestre Nova by either not bringing in all of them, maybe we bring in every alternative one or every third one, or by not visualizing all of them. So that would be the same, but they are all brought in and used for the analysis, but only some of them are visualized to make graphical operations faster. Finally, you tell the software what the nucleus is, which nucleus you're looking at, and then click on Next. And that will take you to the processing selection dialog. In the processing selection, I'm going to be using the Forte Mnova processing. But if you had optimized your processing and saved it as a processing template, or even generated a processing script, you could use either of those. Click Next again, and Mestre Nova will now import the data for you, and it will set it all up so that you can start doing your reaction monitoring analysis. As you can see here, I have imported all my 1Ds. I also have a graph where I'm going to be displaying my concentrations or my reactions. And immediately the software puts me in region or integral selection mode. So I've gone to this region because I can see a peak that starts with high intensity and disappears over time. So this will be a starting material. I assume that I know the structure of my starting material. So I know in this case that this will be 3 nucleides. I can choose my concentration units, and I can also choose where my initial concentration is. I click on OK, and as you can see, that gets immediately plotted onto the reaction monitoring graph. By the way, you could be looking at integrals as opposed to concentrations, but generally I would prefer working with concentrations. Now I go to another multiplet. In this case, this corresponds to my product, since it's not there at the beginning, and then it grows over time. And again, all I have to tell the software now is the number of nucleides, as all the concentrations will be related to the information from the previous peak. Click on OK, and you get your product drawn up there. And basically, I could select some more, but in this case, I'm ready to go. I click on Next, and finally, I get my fitting options. So here, you could choose to fit to the last equation that you fit it to select your equation by reaction order, and there you have first, second order, and zero order, or pseudo first order. And finally, you can import a formula from a file, or you could just say, right, fit to best, and the software will try all the fits and will report the one which works best for this particular data set. Click on Next, and the final options are, do you want to save an Mnova file, do you want to save a PDF, and do you want to add a text report to your Mnova page. So once I click on Finish, the software is trying all the different fits and will report the best fitting solution. So this will be my kinetics for both my starting material and my products. And of course, it has also generated a report, in this case in PDF, as you can see here, as well as an Mnova file, which I can save elsewhere for opening later. Okay, I hope you have found this functionality interesting, and if you think it could be useful to you, please get in contact with us at support@mestlab.com or go to our website www.mestlab.com to find more information about the reaction monitoring plugin, or to even get a trial license so that you can play with it and see what you can get out of it. Thank you for your time.